Weejah, it's W-E-E-J-A-H. Search nyo kami sa Instagram. Follow nyo kami sa Instagram. Follow nyo kami sa TikTok. No? Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Nandito kami every Friday. So magkita-kits tayo dito. Samahan nyo kami dito mga chong. Simula alas 6 ng gabi hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. No promo. Upright photography. Yun lang, napakasimple. One word yung upright. And then, kanan, taas.
Pakanan.
Uy! Kita nyo yan? Kita nyo yan? So, dun sa mga gusto magpa-cover ng wedding nila, follow nyo Upright. It's Upright Photography on Facebook and TikTok. No?
Ang sarap mong magmura. Ha?
Ano? Bulaklak ka ba? Kasi bobo ka.
Mo.
Tama ba ako? Enjoy yourselves.
Sometimes I lay under the moon, but I take God, I'm breathing. And then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity's around, but I know someday I'll turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. Every normal runs and our children will play. One day, I go. When the people that sets up the innocent words, baby, keep on moving on one same way, yeah. My in this space, you can lose your way, in my trying to feel crazy, I don't get you crazy away, set away. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let me get me down, So when negativity's around, but I know someday that won't turn around, because all of my life I've been waiting for it, I've been praying for it, for the people to say that we don't wanna fight the war. One day, something changes, the people the same. Stop with the violence, stop with the hate. One day I'll be free, and I'm proud to be under the same sun, the same such a thing. Why one day, and all my life I've been waiting for it, I've been waiting for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more.
Next Friday dito lang sa Bacabel Bikers Cafe. Kami ang band, Weejah. Maraming salamat.